Niacinamide, also called vitamin B3, is one of the most common skincare ingredients. But what does it actually do for your skin? Let's look at the science.
Niacinamide, or nicotinamide, is the active form of vitamin B3. It's water-soluble, stable, and well-tolerated by almost every skin type. In the skin, it acts as a precursor to NAD and NADP, cofactors involved in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, from energy production to antioxidant defense. That's why niacinamide can support skin health at multiple levels.
One of its most studied effects is on the skin barrier. Niacinamide stimulates the production of ceramides and proteins like filaggrin and keratin. This makes the barrier stronger, improves hydration, and reduces sensitivity. That's why it's often recommended for dry or sensitive skin. Niacinamide can also help with visible signs of aging. It promotes collagen synthesis, improves elasticity, and reduces fine lines. It also helps protect against UV-induced damage with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Several clinical studies with 2 to 5% niacinamide have shown smoother, firmer skin.
Another well-documented action is on pigmentation. Niacinamide reduces the transfer of melanin from pigment cells to keratinocytes. This means fewer dark spots and a more even skin tone. It also slows skin yellowing linked to glycation, helping maintain a clearer complexion. Because of this, niacinamide is sometimes used as an alternative to hydroquinone. Niacinamide has anti-inflammatory properties and helps regulate sebum. This makes it useful in oily or acne-prone skin, where it can reduce excess oil, calm redness, and improve texture. It doesn't shrink pores directly, but by reducing oil and inflammation, pores can appear less visible.
Niacinamide also reduces redness, improves the skin's resistance to irritants, and supports recovery after environmental stress. Its versatility explains why it is included in so many cosmetic formulas.
From a formulation point of view, niacinamide is water-soluble, stable, and easy to use. The main challenge is avoiding its conversion into nicotinic acid, which can cause flushing. That's why ingredient purity and proper formulation are important. In practice, cosmetic products usually contain between 2 and 5% niacinamide, enough to be effective without unnecessary irritation. Higher levels, like 10 or 20%, don't always bring more benefits.
To summarize, niacinamide is vitamin B3 in its active form. It strengthens the skin barrier, improves hydration, reduces pigmentation, regulates oil, smooths fine lines, and calms inflammation. It is safe, versatile, and effective when used at the right concentration in a good formula. If you want more science-based skincare explained simply, subscribe to Cosmetoscope and let me know which ingredient you'd like me to explore next.